Well, after spending all last winter trying to move this rail around, all I really had to do was scrape about 1/4 of an inch of wood off of this piece of wood that was sticking out too far. And I used this hand plane to do it. It's curling down there. It took me about 5 minutes instead of 3 hours of moving this rail with clamps. But unless you try one thing, it doesn't work, then you try something else. That's the way it is pretty much when you get into any job. Springs helps, but it doesn't always have the final say. To dig back pretty far and think about doing that. Also, that was sticking out, and this other board was sticking out too, inside it. And the door was just rubbing against that too hard. Move the rail again. So like I said before, he put this thing together kind of fast. It was the middle of winter when he did it. Many years ago. And I didn't even get an insulated door then, so I didn't think I was worried too much about heat going in and out. So, but now I find that there's a lot of money going out of that door. So it's insulated now, and now we got these nice seals on here. So the wooden seals don't really matter much, so I just hacked them off. Okay, that's really going to be it about that door.